Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I uploaded my first video about syllabus of Master in English for Punjab University Part 1. This video is about syllabus of Master in English Part 2 Punjab University syllabus. In this paper Part 2, there are 5 papers. Like Part 1, each paper has 100 marks. First paper is poetry. There are 2 sections in first paper, poetry. Section A included 3 romantic poets. First poet is William Blake. His 10 songs of innocence and experience we will read in this paper. Second romantic poet is Samuel Taylor Coleridge. His poems The Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan and Ode on Dejection. These 3 poems are included in this syllabus. Third romantic poet is John Keats. John Keats, first poem is Hyperion, Book 1, and there are 3 odes. First ode is Ode to Autumn, Ode to Nightingale, and third is Ode on Grecian Earth. In section B, there are modern poets. First poet is Philip Larkin. His poems Mr. Bellini, Church Going, Ambulances and 1914. Second poet is Ted Hughes. His poem Thought Fox, Chaucer, That Morning, Full Moon and Frida. And third modern poet is Seamus Henry. Second paper is a drama. First drama is Hedda Gabler by Henrik Ibsen. Second drama The Cherry Orchard by Anton Chekhov, who is a Russian playwright. And third drama Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. Third paper is a modern novel. First novel is Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Second novel is To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf. And third novel is A Portrait of an Artist. The writer of this novel is James Joyce. Third novelist is Chinua Achebe. His novel Things Falls Apart. Fourth novel Ahmad Ali, Muslim novel writer. His novel Twilight in Delhi. Fourth paper is literary criticism. First critic Aristotle was a Greek critic. His famous book Poetics is included in this syllabus. Second critic is Raymond Williams. His criticism Modern Tragedy. Third critic Catherine Belze. His criticism Critical Practice. And the fourth critic T.S. Eliot. His criticism Tradition and Individual Talent. Fifth critic is Philip Sidney. and his criticism, Apology for Poetry, is included in this paper. All these 4 first paper are compulsory papers. 5th paper is an optional paper. There are many options. You may choose one of them. First option is short story. Second is literature in English around the world. And third option is linguistic. And 4th optional paper is essay writing. Dear viewers, I always suggest my students to choose linguistics because linguistics has a good scope in practical field. My upcoming videos are about all these papers in detail, and I will discuss notes, main points, and each book individually in detail. So please subscribe my channel, like it, so that you can have my new videos about mastering English, literature, and English language videos I will upload in upcoming days. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.